Why automate email tasks?
Automating email tasks can save time and reduce repetitive work. With the Gmail API, it's possible to automatically send emails, label and organize incoming messages, and process data without manual effort. This is especially useful for managing large volumes of email or integrating email tasks with other business workflows and apps.
Getting started with the Gmail API.
To begin, you'll need a Google account and access to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project, then enable the Gmail API for your project. Download the required credentials file, usually in JSON format. This step ensures your application can authenticate and interact securely with Gmail on your behalf.
Setting up a coding environment.
Choose a programming language like Python or JavaScript. Install the appropriate client library for your language using a package manager, such as pip or npm. Load your credentials and initialize the Gmail API client. This environment lets your code connect to your Gmail account and perform automated actions seamlessly.
Sending emails automatically.
With the API client set up, you can create and send emails through code. Construct the message using standard email formatting and encode it as required. Use the API's send function to transmit your message. This allows you to schedule emails, send batch messages, or trigger emails when specific events occur in your workflow.
Organizing and processing emails.
The Gmail API also enables searching inboxes, reading message content, and applying custom labels or filters. You can programmatically identify important emails, archive messages, or mark emails as read. This level of automation keeps your inbox organized and ensures critical communications are easy to find and manage.
Next steps and best practices.
Explore further by combining Gmail automation with other Google APIs or third-party tools. Always protect your credentials and respect email limits to avoid running into restrictions. Test your scripts thoroughly and review Gmail's documentation for updates and best practices to ensure secure and effective email automation.